Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well and thank you very much for tuning back into my YouTube channel. I hope everybody's enjoying all the videos that I've been posting, and yeah, we're now at that point where we have finished this portion of the home renovation. So the kitchen's finished, all the tiling's done, all the painting has been done, all the lighting's installed, the dining room, all the furniture's been moved back in that we had stored in the garage. Window treatments are done, and yeah, so I hope everybody enjoys it, and let's crack on with the video, and we'll be right back. So we had one last thing to do before we left, which required running to Home Depot again, and here's the last thing: put in drawer glides for a couple of the cabinets that were still left. And since the drawers are a lot shallower than the cabinets, it required me to bulk out the back so that there was something to attach the bracket to. And then after we finish this, we can move into bringing in the furniture from the garage. And then I just thought I would include some pictures of what the room looked like finished before we brought in the furniture. This is the dining room before we bring in all the furniture from the garage. You can see we have the wall or the window treatments all hung and ready. Lights are installed. The under cabinet lighting, the can lighting was done on the ceiling. Flooring's all in. And here's the entry. We still do have the front door to install. We still haven't done that, so it's going to be done on the next phase. And yeah, we're still deciding on what piece of furniture to put on this wall in the entry. So this table's here for now. And we have moved in all the new furniture. So please forgive all the boxes still sitting around because we were trying to move in all the stuff and put everything in its place, so there's still boxes. And the pantry is now all finished, with the wall mount to hold the vacuum in place, and everything's stored away. And just trying to give you different viewpoints from different entries into the room. This is just coming in from the hallway into the kitchen. This is standing just from the dining room looking towards the kitchen and the entry. So that was this week's video. I hope everybody enjoyed it. The first phase of this renovation is now completed, and we hope to start the second phase in the next couple of months, probably the beginning of next year. And on that phase, we will be moving into the living room and down the hallway. So yeah, that will be the continuation of the flooring, removing the popcorn ceiling again, and installing a new window in the living room, and a few more things we're still working out. So yeah, So I hope to see you all back when we start that phase. But in the meantime, I will probably be posting just some random videos of things I find or things I want to share with everybody. And yeah, so I hope everybody enjoyed it, and I hope to see you all continue tuning into my channel. And yeah, we'll see you all next week. Bye.